There, Maima, Tom here from Budget and Kilburn Cars in Manukau. Thank you very much for your email inquiry in regards to one of our Toyota Aquas. We've got quite a few of these in stock in different colours, light blues, all these dark blue ones here. We've got green, we've got orange, red, black, deep dark purple, light purple, pink, white, silver, everything here. This is the exact one you were inquiring about though. It is the Gen 1 version, although you can go from Gen 1 to Gen 2 to a Gen 3. Completely identical engine base, so nothing much changes really. You've got keyless entry and push button start in this particular one, tinted rear windows as well, nice aftermarket rims in all four corners. It is an S-Spec non-L, so you can tell by the seat situation, and actually the fact that it has keyless entry, because if these cars, if they don't have keyless, there is a chance they don't have the lower spec ones. So this is looking like an S-Spec, done 140,000 k's, which in these cars, trust me, it's nothing. They go for way more than that easily on the same system and battery pack. ISOFIX in the back there as well. Right, just got rear wiper, bit of a body kit going on also. Now we sell, we've been selling cars here for 40 years. We do sell, as of last time, over 110 vehicles, so definitely can and will look after you. Got automatic headlights on this one here as well, height adjustable driver's seat. Beltless engine bays is probably my biggest amazing thing about these. Beltless. There's no time belt, there's no cam belt, there's no power steering, there's no aircon belt. They've got long life transfer, long life coolant. They're basically low cost of service and maintenance. They're cheap as to run, man. Awesome vehicles. All the best and take care. See you, mate.